Hi Amit, many congratulations. It was an awesome movie and well deserved to be pitched for the Oscar. I am talking to you on behalf of Soch Media, which is a local media in Dallas. And my question to you is, off late we've seen a lot of independent films really come to limelight, which has really not happened before. So I know this is your second movie. I haven't had the opportunity to watch your first movie. My question to you is, what's your take on independent cinema and what are your future plans? Thanks.
I think the independent cinema is getting a lot of encouragement because of new mediums that are coming out, especially on the internet. So you have like people staying in even smaller towns, if they have internet, they have access to everything right now. Even in small town India, you can watch Netflix and Amazon shows that you're getting to watch here on the same day. So at the same time, people are also able to download foreign films and watch them at home. So you're getting access to a lot of entertainment, a lot of information, documentaries, news. So what I feel is that independent cinema in India, we are all trying to match up to that. We're trying to compete with the best in the world because the audience has access to everything right now. So it's a very exciting time right now for independent cinema.
Okay. Hi Tripti, many congrats on the screening of this amazing, fantastic movie, Newton. So tell me more about your non-profit organization.
Yeah, Indian is a platform for creating awareness and building a dialogue around socially relevant cinema. We are a 501c3 non-profit organization, and so our endeavor is always to bring films, promote art, promote artists, promote filmmakers from South Asia, and really build a community and an audience in the foreign land. So that's what we do.
I think that's fantastic. So what inspired you, like on a personal level? I know you're the co-founder and the president of this organization. Is there a particular reason that inspires you and keeps you going in terms of getting these independent films, especially now because there's so much of growth of independent films, especially in India?
Right, yeah. I know when we started this about 3-4 years back, there was really not so much popularity of the films in here, especially from that, South Asia. So we have seen a tremendous growth in the last 3-4 years, right? There are many outfits that are doing this and wonderfully well because people here then get to watch so much of good original stuff that comes out from those countries. And there's some brilliant artists out there, right? And they get a platform to showcase their work and connect with different audience. So I think that there are you asked me what was the motivation. So there are multiple angles to it. That just the fact of providing that platform itself is a great thing. Then I feel that when we are dealing with any of the socially relevant issues, it creates a different kind of awareness and dialogue within a community, and that causes a lot of different kinds of ripple effects in terms of things that could be actionable or a discussion, and I think that goes a long way. So we like building that community, and I think that's what keeps us going.
Right. And have you seen that? Have you seen your non-profit organization make that little bit of change? I know it's like, I don't expect you to, there's no barometer to count it, but
right.
Do you see that?
Yes.
Do you see that ripple effect? I mean, there's so many South Asians in DFW area itself.
Yes.
And today the hall was more than full. It was overflowing with people. I mean, there was literally no place.
If there wouldn't have been there, I would have been surprised. So, and we did the screening of Nepal's film, Oscar film, last month.
Yeah.
And that also, we had so much representation from the Nepali community. I mean, it's always good. I mean, people have to come out and support, these films coming out from there.
Right.
Yes.
No, I think that's wonderful. I think your non-profit organization is doing amazing work.
Thank you so
and wishing you all the luck And hope you keep bringing these fantastic cinema to the DFW and across Texas. And I think it's a great platform.
Yes, and I want to thank Soch for giving us our theatre award, the community award.
Yes, congratulations on that.
Thank you so much. And I think Soch itself is doing such amazing work in the community, covering all events everywhere. You guys are everywhere, and I think that's phenomenal because you are really creating a community beyond religion, beyond which part of the world you come from.
Right.
If it's a South Asian event, you guys are there, and I think that's really, really phenomenal. So thank you for doing that good work.
Thank you. Thanks for your time, Tripti. Good luck.
Yes, thank you.
Hi, Meghna. So my question to you is, what's your impression of the movie and what inspired you to come for this movie?
I'm a huge Indie Meme fan and a big supporter. Somebody around here will tell you that I show up for every single movie if I'm in town. I love the movies that they bring, and this one was also very nice. It touches upon a social issue in India, and more than a social issue, also a cultural issue. Chalta hai, bribery, those kind of things are so ingrained in the culture that seeing the lead character in the current role was a little bit different. I think that's what makes the movie so different. And having him in his role and just wanting to do what is right, it's unheard of in India. So it was interesting to bring in the political angle, the education angle, and the rest of it.
Thank you. Thanks, Meghna, for your time. How did you find the movie, and what's your impression about this movie?
I thought the movie was very well done. To me, it's a showcase of democracy in India and what it represents to the rest of the world. I mean, are there any lessons for the rest of the world to learn from Indian democracy? And at the same token, it shows the other side of democracy. I mean, is it partly a stage show? I mean, is it a democracy in true sense, or it is democracy in progress? And I think just like any other democracy, this is a democracy in progress. And there are a lot of good things about Indian democracy, but there are things that we know we can improve on and we need to work on. So I thought it was beautifully made. I really enjoyed it. So had a great time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks so much for your take.